Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I'd like to talk to you about our latest new tool, the CST-900 slit and ring tool. This tool is designed to slit and ring round cables from 8 millimeters to 28 millimeters in diameter. The tool features the following: a titanium-nitride coated hardened steel blade for maximum life and durability. The tool comes with the spare blade inside the tool. The tool features a blade depth adjustment at the bottom of the tool, the red knob here. Simply rotate it to raise or lower the blade. There's no setting or adjustment needed for changing the tool from slit or ring. Just simply rotate and pull, and the tool blade will automatically adjust to the proper position. Let me demonstrate. Simply take the tool, open it up, place it over, rotate, pull. The jacket has been slit and wrung and can just be peeled right off. Thank you for watching our video. Please take a moment, like, share, comment below, subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos from Jonard Tools.